Hi guys, welcome back again. So to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in, and to my new subscribers, you're welcome. My name is Joy. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Please do the good stuff, like, comment and share, okay? And guys, if you have ripe plantain in your house, guess what? We are making use of it today. We are making this yummy goodness, okay? So guys, I already have PuffPuff recipe on my channel, which I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box, just in case you don't want to add plantain in your PuffPuff. But for this, I'll be dropping the list of ingredients I used for this recipe. So this is the kind of plantain you want to use for this recipe. Very ripe plantain. The plantain you're not using again, just you don't want to use it again, let's make use of it, okay? So here I have my blender, my Buchi mix blender, the mini cup, which I'm going to be using to blend this into liquid form. I will just add little water to it and blend. So guys, I'm done blending, and now it's time for me to combine my ingredients together. And guys, like I said earlier, I'll be listing out the ingredients for this recipe in my description box, but no accurate measurements. If you want the measurement for this recipe, you can check the link below in my description box. Yes, I have a puff recipe already on my channel, so I'll be dropping the link in my description box, which you check, you go watch, and then use the measurement for that recipe, okay? And guys, I noticed when I was mixing my batter, I noticed it was too watery, too runny. I added more flour to make it thick, because it will help me control my batter once I start scooping in my oil. So after the mixture, I'll cover and allow to double in size for about 30 to 35 minutes. 35 minutes max. Yes, depends on my weather. Here it's hot over here, and depends on your weather though. You can leave for 40 minutes to 1 hour, okay? So here I left this for 35 minutes to double in size. So at this point, I noticed, you can see my batter is a bit runny. It's something I can't control once I start scooping, so I had to add more flour to it. This is it guys, I added more flour. My flour is already sieved. I don't make use of flour without sieving on anything. Like, I have to sieve just to take out the dirt, so take note, okay? So guys, we are ready to fry, and guys, it's just the regular way you make your puff, nothing much, okay? Nothing serious. The only thing here is just you adding ripe plantain, very ripe plantain to it, to the mixture, okay? So nothing much, okay? So I'll just scoop. As you can see, our batter has doubled in size, and I will just take out the air and then start scooping in my oil. Fry, and our puff is ready. Just keep watching, watch till the end and see the outcome, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you.